Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn math subject in which we will learn the multiplication word problems. Suppose you have given the first example, that is there are 8 crayons in a box. How many crayons are in 6 boxes? That means we have given there is a one box in which 8 crayons are kept. And we have to find the total number of crayons in 6 such boxes. That means there are 6 boxes in which every box it will have 8 crayons. So to find out the total number of crayons, we should add the number of crayons in every box. That means the number of crayons in 2 boxes will be 8 plus 8, and number of crayons in 3 boxes will be 8 plus 8 plus 8. That is 3 times 8 we are going to add. So here we are finding the total number of crayons in 6 boxes. So we should add here this 8 6 times. That means repeatedly we are adding the same number here, and that is nothing but the multiplication. That is, here we have given the number of crayons in one box, that is 8 crayons, and we have to find the number of crayons in 6 boxes. So we have to multiply here this number of crayons in one box by number of boxes, that is 8 multiplied by 6. Then we will get the total number of crayons in 6 boxes, and that is nothing but 48. So we are getting there are 48 crayons in 6 boxes. दिलेल्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये आपल्याला सर्वात आधी नंबर ऑफ क्रेयॉन्स एका बॉक्समध्ये दिलेले आहेत. म्हणजेच 8 क्रेयॉन्स जर एका बॉक्समध्ये असतील तर असे टोटल 6 बॉक्सेस आहेत, आणि त्या 6 बॉक्सेसमध्ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्रेयॉन्स किती असतील हे आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे. 6 बॉक्सेसमध्ये प्रत्येका बॉक्समध्ये प्रत्येकी 8 क्रेयॉन्स ठेवलेले आहेत. म्हणजे जर आपण 8 प्लस 8 प्लस 8 अशी रिपीटेडली ॲडिशन केली 6 टाइम्स तर आपल्याला 6 बॉक्सेसमधील नंबर ऑफ क्रेयॉन्स भेटतील. आणि रिपीटेडली सेम नंबरची आपण ॲडिशन करतोय, म्हणजेच आपल्याला मल्टिप्लिकेशन करावं लागेल, कारण आपण 8 या सेम नंबरचं ॲडिशन 6 टाइम्स घेतो आहोत. त्यामुळे इथे आपण 8 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 6 जर फाइंड केलं तर आपल्याला टोटल 48 क्रेयॉन्स भेटतील, जे आहेत 6 बॉक्सेसमधील नंबर ऑफ क्रेयॉन्स. So therefore there are 48 crayons in 6 boxes. In this way we can solve the multiplication word problems. Now suppose you have given the second example. A bag holds 90 cherries. Ria has 13 bags of cherries. How many cherries does she have? That means there is given thing, that is there is one bag in which total 90 cherries are kept, and we have given the total 13 bags are there in which every bag it will have 90 cherries. So we have to find out the total number of cherries in 13 such bags. So here 2 bags will have 90 plus 90 cherries, and to find the total number of cherries in 13 bags we should add 90 13 times, because there are total 13 bags we have given. So repeatedly addition of the same number, that means multiplication we have to do here. So the total number of cherries will be 90 multiplied by 13. That is, one bag is having 90 cherries, and 13 bags we have to find out the number of cherries in 13 bags. So here we should multiply this 90 multiplied by 13 to get the number of cherries in 13 bags. So this is the multiplication of 2-digit number multiplied by 2-digit number. We have to write this example vertically first of all to calculate it. To calculate this multiplication, we will multiply this complete number 90 by units place digit, that is 3. And that is nothing but 270 we are getting. And after that, we are going to multiply the same number 90 multiplied by tens place digit, that is 1. So before doing this multiplication, we should write 0 at units place. So we are getting 900 here. Now we are done with both the digits multiplication. So finally we should do addition of both of these answers, and which is nothing but 1170. Therefore we have the total number of cherries in 13 bags, that is 1170. Finally we have written, therefore Ria has 1170 cherries with her. Second example मध्ये आपल्याला given आहे एक बॅगमध्ये जर 90 चेरीज असतील तर अशा 13 बॅग्समध्ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ चेरीज आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायच्या आहेत. सो 1 बॅगमध्ये जर 90 चेरीज असतील तर 2 बॅग्समध्ये 90 + 90 एवढ्या चेरीज असतील. आणि अशा 13 बॅग्स आपल्याकडे आहेत. म्हणजेच आपण 90 + 90 + 90 रिपीटेडली सेम नंबर 90ची ॲडिशन आपण 13 टाइम्स घेणार आहोत. तेव्हा आपल्याला टोटल नंबर ऑफ चेरीज 13 बॅग्समध्ये भेटतील. म्हणजे सेम नंबरची रिपीटेडली आपण ॲडिशन करत आहोत आणि रिपीटेशन of addition of same number, that means multiplication we have to do. So that is 90 multiplied by 30. हे जेव्हा मल्टिप्लिकेशन आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तेव्हा आपला आन्सर 1170 म्हणजेच आपल्याकडे इथे टोटल 1170 एवढ्या चेरीज आहेत 13 बॅग्समध्ये. अँड देअरफॉर रिया हॅज 1170 cherries with her. Now the third example is given. There are 253 erasers in a box. How many erasers are there in 17 such boxes? So here we have given there is one box in which there are total 253 erasers are kept. And also we have to find out the total number of erasers in 17 such boxes, in which every box it will have the 253 erasers there. That means here 2 boxes they will have 253 plus 253 erasers, and 17 such boxes they will have the repeatedly addition we have to do of 253 here 17 times. That means here we are adding the same number 253 17 times. Repetition same number, that means we have to do multiplication of 253 and 70 to get the total number of erasers in 17 boxes. That is, we have given there are total 253 erasers in one box, and we have to find the total number of erasers in 17 boxes. To find it, we should multiply 253 and 70. To calculate this multiplication, we have written both the numbers vertically. So here we are going to multiply this 253 by units place digit, that is 7, which is 1171. Now we have to multiply the same number 253 by tens place digit, that is 1. So before doing this multiplication, we should write 0 at units place first. Now we'll calculate the multiplication of 253 multiplied by 1. So here we are getting 2530. Now we'll do the addition of both of these answers, that is 4301. That means we are getting the multiplication 4301, and therefore there are total 4301 erasers in 17 such boxes. Third example मध्ये आपल्याला एका बॉक्समध्ये जर 253 एवढे इरेजर्स ठेवलेले असतील तर आपल्याला असे 17 बॉक्सेसमध्ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ इरेजर्स किती असतील हे फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. 17 बॉक्सेसमधील प्रत्येका बॉक्समध्ये 253 एवढे इरेजर्स असतील. तर नंबर ऑफ इरेजर्स 2 बॉक्सेसमध्ये 253 प्लस 253 एवढे असतील. आणि असंच आपण रिपीटेडली जर 253 प्लस 253 प्लस 253 रिपीटेडली आपण ॲडिशन याची 17 टाइम्स करणार आहोत. सो रिपीटेडली ॲडिशन ऑफ सेम नंबर, दॅट मीन्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन. म्हणजेच आपण टोटल नंबर ऑफ इरेजर 17 बॉक्सेसमध्ये फाइंड करण्यासाठी 253 आणि 17 या दोन्ही नंबर्सचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेणार आहोत, and which is nothing but 4301. Therefore, there are 4301 erasers in 17 boxes. This is our answer. In this way, we can calculate the multiplication word problems.